So I made a couple of small purchases from What's Up Nails. I actually like purchasing from them. They have a sale in January that's like a clearance sale, so they have a bunch of things on clearance. And I wasn't going to buy anything, but then the prices kept getting better and better. So I ended up getting this cute little stamping plate here for like $1.23 or 25 or something like that. It was just a little over a dollar. So I did really like this one and I wanted to get it, but I wasn't going to because it's originally $7. But like for a dollar, I don't know, I couldn't pass it up. And then I bought some nail vinyls, which I don't think I have any other nail vinyls, and I don't normally even do anything with nail vinyls, but I thought that it would be fun. So these ones, I don't know if you can tell, they're little, I don't know, they're little kind of like tribal guys. See? They're so cute. So I got a sheet of these, and these are like a cityscape. And these ones are lips. There they are. You can see them. Do that. There we go. Lips. And what is this? Oh, shamrocks. I saw something really cool to do with multi-chrome nail polishes in black. And, multi-chrome nail polishes and black nail polish and vinyls. So that's what I did with these. Only I put them in this nice little envelope, so that'll be easy for me to store. It's like a really nice envelope. It's embossed. Kind of expensive looking. And then they actually have the best prices on Moira products. So they're a U.S. stockist, and I think Lantern and Wren is a U.S. stockist, and Butometry, but What's Up Nails has the best Moira prices. So I tend to like to buy from them, and their pricing is their shipping is really reasonable. I think I paid $3.99 for shipping for all of this, and I think this one was $5.99. Don't quote me on that. May have been more, but I'm not sure. But anyway, this is what is it? It's a cat eye stamping polish in silver. It's kind of a dark silver. I have like a pewter silver. But anyways, so stay tuned. I'm going to be doing something fun with this. And then when I was looking at stuff in January, I noticed that the supersizer stampers were sold out. And then they took them off of the website. And so I emailed them asking them if they were going to get any more in, because the supersizer stamper from What's Up Nails was $14.90, which was the US price if I ordered it directly from Moira. But if I ordered it directly from Moira, then I had to pay $18 to have it shipped to the US. And I'm like, I was not going to do that. And then I saw Lantern and Wren had it, and I was pretty excited. I go over there, but they were charging $19 for it, $19.99 I think, so basically $20. Then if you don't have enough for free shipping, their shipping is more expensive. So in the long run, I did get this one cheaper. What I did was I just sent them an email asking them if they were going to get any more in, and they said in 2 weeks, and they would let me know. And so they did. They let me know when they were getting them in. Unfortunately, it was too late for this order. So I paid $3.99 for shipping. So that's not a big deal. But I definitely wanted one of these, and I thought that was pretty cool. I guess at some point, at some point the newness is going to wear out, and maybe they'll be able to keep them in stock, because I went in there and I looked and they don't have them in stock anymore. So it must have gone pretty quickly. So I thought maybe we'd try out a couple of these things really quick, and Yeah, I think we'll do that. We'll try these out. So let's take a closer look at the supersizer stamper here. So it has some notches right here. So you just, yeah, there we go. So you just want to make sure that, see how that, I don't know if you can see it. Let me see. There we go. So see, there's like a little opening there. So you put in this little notch right here. You just push that in there and then turn it, and that locks it into place. And you can use it as a regular stamper, then sticky, see through it. Now this you can enlarge and shrink, but I'm only going to show you how to shrink with it. That's all I'm going to ever use it for. There are some videos out there that deal with how to enlarge it. I think maybe, I'm pretty sure Girly Nail 66 did one. I think Guyleen 325 did one. And I think Rosanna did one. So if you want to learn how to enlarge, you can watch those videos, as well as the Moira video. By Moira, they did a video as well. So let's take a look at this. Okay, so I have this big stamping plate here. Cece and Sissy, they're no longer in business, but this is like my favorite tiki image. I want to shrink that. So what I'm going to do is, this is all the way down. Let's see, I'm going to put this in. I'm going to lock it into place. And then I'm going to turn it clockwise all the way so that it kind of domes up. It's actually pushing the stamper head, up. So it's like in a dome like that. So it's all the way. So this will shrink it to the smallest size. Okay. Then I'm just going to put some, it's just Moira's black stamping polish. And then I'm going to pick this up. Okay, just move that out of the way. All right, so I got a good pickup. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it counterclockwise, and that'll bring it down to, it'll make it small. And then I'll be able to stamp this on my nails. So, now before I stamp it on my nails, I have to prep my nails here. So I'm going to put some of the Maniology sticky base coat on. And then I just have to wait a couple minutes for that to kind of dry down to a little bit tackiness. I don't want it too dry or else the image won't come off. Okay, and then I'm just going to place the image on my finger here. Okay. It still doesn't fit, but it's an extremely huge image. I think this would be so cool to do a little tiki design with color it in with like a solar polish, solar color changing polish, or a I don't know, or a thermal. That'd be really fun to do. But this is like my favorite tiki face image. I love this one. It fit on there okay. I had done a better placement. But this is just a little test. We need more tiki plates. I think Clear Jelly Stamper has one. That's the only one. I think maybe I have another one. You know what? I do. I think I do have another one that I bought. Might have a smaller tiki image. Maybe we'll do like tiki shrinking one day. But this is it for this one. So now we'll just clean this off, and this is my Moira. I like this, it doesn't fall on the floor. Oh, and then you want to put it away. So let's see, you want to make sure that it's all the way in the down position. You don't want it to be up. So it's all the way in the down position because that's what it was. And then we just pop that back on and then lock it into place and then put the lid on there. And that's it. I like it. It's kind of pricey, but you know, there aren't, you know, unless you do it the old-fashioned way where you know, with your fingers or whatever, this is a lot easier. So I'm glad I got it. I think it'll be fun to use. Okay, so I decided to try this out and show you guys my little idea, but I'm gonna also do like a bigger video on it. So I like the Aura style cat eye. So I have that here. I've seen several different ways of doing this, so I wasn't sure exactly how. So here's what it looks like with the Aura style, and then this is just 2 coats by itself. Basically, you really want to do 2 coats for the base, because once you do your 3rd coat and you do your Aura style, that's when all the, you know, metallic parts move. And the base, you need a dark background. You need some kind of background. Otherwise, you end up with some kind of weird patchy looking thing. But anyway, so I have that. And now let's stick the 3rd coat on. And that's what we're going to magnetize. I just have 2 thin coats. And then you want to put a slightly thicker, I'll put a slightly thicker 3rd coat on, but you also you don't want it too thick. That makes sense. All right, so I'm going to put that slightly thicker 3rd coat on. And this is the one that happens to work for me. So I'm just gonna wave the little wand over here, and then here, and then here like this, and then here. And there I have it. Oh yeah, there it is. That's perfect. And it just makes it really glowy. Now what I saw done with this, I saw 2 different videos, and one used a darker silver polish, and I think that's what this is. I think it's a darker silver. And one used a lighter silver, and I am going to get Starly Amulet as soon as it's back in stock again, because I think that was the perfect silver that I was looking for. But I'm also using this Orly Sweetheart. It's a sheer red polish. And you can use any sheer polish, any jelly polish. But the 2 videos I saw used red. So I'm glad I got this one. That was from Valentine's Day a couple years ago. I don't even know if they still sell it. Actually, I don't think they do. And then you just put, oh, you might have, since it wet the polish again, yeah, you have to do this again. Then it gives it kind of this glowy red look. I'll try to take a picture of what I'm trying to do, but yeah, I'm not really sure I'm getting it with this either. I'll just insert a picture like right here. Well, I don't think it worked out great right with the red, but oh well, they were using gel anyway, so. But yeah, I'm going to practice with that more often, and when I get a good video, when I get it right, then I'll do a video on it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. More to come. Bye for now.